My dear wonderful talents, welcome to you all to Sri Guru Sundara College, Bidkal. It's a digital learning platform. Through that, we will start a new concept called Bridge Course. I heartily welcome to you all batch of BBA. As you know, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. It is a purely management subject, management course, and very important, it is professional course. Here I will like to convey the concepts or content with both Kannada and English, because many students, they came from various background, PUC, science, commerce, arts, different streams, different colleges, right? So everybody had the question that how our journey could be, right? There are a lot of questions, queries. To make this journey become very simple and smooth, we designed this bridge course. The name itself is telling that bridge. ತಾವು ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದರ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದರ ಎರಡರ ನಡುವೆ ಸೇತುವೆಯಾಗಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವೇ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವೇ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿಲಿ ಜನರಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್, degree is most focused on skill enhancement, skill development, overall personality development, right? So we have various clubs, various activities, various training programs, which all helps you down the line of 3 years to transform a new personality and enhance your skills, so that after the 3 years you might be go for higher education, or you can start your own business, or you can join any corporate or any public sector companies. So there all the skills will help a lot. That is the main purpose of degree. So I'm sure you will get ample opportunities in these 3 years. So this bridge course basically tried to connect these all concepts to you. We have Rotary Club. It's a wing of Rotary, it is called Rotract, right? Then we have NSS, Youth Red Cross, then Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. These kind of CSR units, clubs, which helps you to take part various activities and helps you to develop your own skills, especially organization, team management, communication, like that. Along with this academics, clubs, you will get lot of opportunity, even sports, curricular, cultural, correct? So many more activities are there, along with some training programs, for example MRPI, WKC Mangalore, NIIT, even banking sector, public sector or government jobs. So various training programs helps you to choose your or build your career after this 3 years journey. When it comes to BBA, we have NEP, New Education Policy. Most of the subjects are related to management along with the account, right? For example, HRM, human resource management, financial management, or event management, or corporate account, banking, insurance, law, business law, right, marketing management. So different topics or different subjects will learn in next 3 years. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ತಾವು PUC ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಿಸ್ತೃತವಾಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ತಮಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ GST ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್, ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಾವು ಈ 3 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಫಲಪ್ರದವಾಗಿರಲಿ. It will become more fruitful for you. I wish you all the best for your 3 years endeavors, and once again I heartily welcome to Sri Guru Sudra College. We will meet you in next class and we can discuss many more. Thank you. Thank you.